Hello everybody and welcome to Sons of the Force. I'm going to be doing a playthrough with my friend Rain here, and we're just going to run through it and try to go through the story and just play it any way that we want. So yeah, let's get started. Alright. Nice! Alright, new game, normal. Actually, it don't matter. Friends.
I assume I wait in the lobby.
We'll invite you. Just give me a sec.
Yeah, invite me.
Make me. There you go.
I got it.
Alright. Then we'll start it.
I probably should have. I tried to cop away from the mic, but I think it picked it up anyways.
What the? You're.
I was coughing, bro.
It's not a cough, it's.
Trying to clear my throat.
There you go.
I'm in. Do you gotta click the button?
I don't gotta click any button.
So what do I do?
I'm in. Just wait. I'm loading still. There's flippers in the game. Jeez. There we go. I'm like, why is it taking so long?
Because it wasn't even starting.
Yeah, well, it's probably because I'm streaming and recording, or not streaming, but recording, and so computers, dealing shit. All right, shh. I don't know if there's talking, so shh. Nailed it. I actually don't even think there is talking, I'll be honest.
I think, I just remember there was like a crash, and...
Well, yeah, there's a crash, but like, I don't think there's talking.
No, but it's yelling and screaming because the dude falls out. This shit's still loading.
Well, that sounds like a you problem.
My computer's fine.
Edward Puffton, missing 31 weeks. Oh, I have a wife and kid. Oh shit. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, finally.
Barbara Puffton, 31 weeks. Virginia Puffton. Oh, 31 weeks. There's the island. So I wonder if I don't turn it off, will I not crash? Are you in the cutscene? Oh, hey, there's Kelvin.
Yeah, I'm in the cutscene.
Oh, and Fisheye. What's our name? Wait, are you across from me? Move your head around.
I'm moving my head around.
Okay, that's nice.
You might be in the other.
What?
You might be in the other helicopter.
Helicopter, helicopter. Fight for your right to party. Oh,
So, most of these people are old as shit, dude.
not Kelvin.
Oh, I'm looking at my tattoo.
No, not Kelvin. Not Kelvin. No, not Kelvin. Kelvin, no.
We're going down.
Oh, we're going in the water.
Where the fuck am I going?
Oh, we should be going down in the water too.
Oh, I see it.
That
Oh, he's
Kelvin?
grabbing.
Nope, that's not Kelvin.
Wee. Oh shit. Wee.
No.
Taking a dip.
Splish splash, I'm taking a bath. Oh, kick the door.
Dude. Oh, he's drowning.
He's drowning.
Because he is. Oh no, why am I not getting out before I fucking drown? Go. Go.
Because you got lungs of steel.
Kick. Kick. Kick.
What, am I swimming? Okay, I'm like, am I swimming myself or?
Yeah, I think he's moving by himself.
Oh, what's up, puppy? Oh, don't kick my hand like that. Oh, you are a woman.
You You are a woman.
You are a woman.
It kind of reminds me of a meme. It says, "What is a woman?"
What?
There's a meme I said, "What is a woman?"
Oh, what is a woman? No one can tell me the definition of a woman.
No one can tell you.
No one can tell me.
I know, just
Oh,
the
it's
lady
you!
who's
I see
smacked
you.
with them.
I don't care about that. Fuck you. Oh, that's your bag. I'm like, why can't I pick it up?
Yeah, it's mine. You can't have that.
Alright, time to save Kelvin. Kelvin, my boy, my buddy, my amigo. What is poppin', my dude? You okay there, Kelvin?
You. Rock. I'm just opening these suitcases, getting batteries, drugs, flares. What's in here? A spear.
Good job. A spear?
I mean, an arrowhead.
Okay, I'm like, a spear?
I don't think it's spear.
There you
I got a
go.
knife.
Yeah, you should have a knife. Buckshot, flares, energy
This is
bar,
a.
zipline
There it is.
rope. Oh, you got zipline rope. What you got?
Look at the fish.
Grenade and C4.
It's a dead fishy right here.
Carbon fiber. To you.
Maybe it's me.
It is you, fish.
Sure.
Drugs.
There's this seaweed stuff. You can actually eat these.
Wait,
You know,
what?
in
Oh,
in real life you can. Yeah, in real life you can. Not probably not in the game. But they are edible.
Yeah. Okay, make sure you open your survival kit to get your axe and shit.
I don't. I'm trying to figure it out. Backpack.
A couple of those.
Where is my axe?
There's tarps. It's in that little pouch that you picked up.
Oh, okay, I see it.
Yeah. Wait. Guidebook. Oh, is this for Kelvin? Oh, no. Why is it such bad graphics? Jesus.
Oh, got my axe.
That's what I wanted to do.
Smart meds. Oh, look all the birds.
Gotcha.
Yeah, there's people on sticks. Up on the birds. Oh, they're pecking at them. Do you see the people on sticks?
Yeah.
Oh, here comes Kevin.
Kelvin.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, I can access your thing. That's what it was.
Yeah, you
Alright.
did.
Yeah. Oh, really? You sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Get fucked.
Smack the birdie.
Smacking a birdie.
Oh, I guess get him.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you gotta get meat somehow.
Yeah, gotta get food. Ew, he looks nasty. Nice get
Oh,
him.
okay.
Oh, look at him. He's all like, he's a naked bird.
Yeah, it's a
He's
naked bird.
big, fleshy looking thing.
Oh,
Sounds
you
like a
can
fetus.
stab it more to get feathers, even though it doesn't have feathers.
Very epic.
That doesn't make sense, but okay.
Well, feathers are also inside birds.
What?
Yeah.
No, they're not.
Yeah, their organs are made out of feathers, so that's why it's
Okay.
coming out of them when we step.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense now. Actually, you're making sense. That makes sense.
Oh,
All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Find the Puffton family. Find Team B.
What thing?
Oh hey, there's blueberries
There's tin stuff. Where's the blueberries?
right over here.
Okay, I see it. Yummy. That game is unbelievably quiet. I gotta turn this shit up. Since graphics, gameplay, control, audio. There we go.
Make a quick spear.
How do you make spears?
2 sticks, tape, and knife.
Tape and knife. Got it.
Wait, is there a cave entrance right here already?
Augers. Alright. Oh, there you went.
Just seeing where the cave entrance is. We're not gonna
And
go into it, but yeah, it's right here.
No. Didn't know this thing had caves.
Yeah. What, the game?
Yeah, this one.
Oh yeah, it has caves too. I mean, that's the main kind of, you know, premise of the first game, so they're not gonna completely change that.
Yeah, we should probably find a place to live.
Yeah.
If we can.
Yeah, we'll find a place to set up first.
And the beach is not probably the best place.
So we have to go inland.
Yeah, maybe find a place to get some fish.
Fish.
Maybe fish.
Some fish.
Some fish. I like some fish.
You like some fish? What do you call fish with no eye?
I don't know.
Fish.
Bruh. And you think you're so funny?
You laughed
I said bruh.
and chuckled. That's all that matters.
That's all that matters.
That's all that matters. All right. Let's just follow this river out to the lake. See where it goes.
Yes, back in these bushes. Get some leaf.
Slap that bush's ass.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Jump. My stand flew.
Get right there. Ooh, more blueberries.
Get right. Where? Oh, I see him. Yummy. Lots of them, actually.
And salmon berries.
I wonder if they're good for us.
Salmon berries are, yeah.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. I got love in my tummy and I feel like I'm loving you.
I think Kevin's eating them too.
Good.
Yummy, 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 yummy. Alright, I think I'm full. Was that a sneeze or were you laughing?
I was laughing because you were just sitting there. Nom, 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 nom.
Because I was eating them. Whack. 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 Move. I thought Kevin was in my way. I was telling him to get the fuck out of here.
You're about to slap him.
Yeah. Yeah, but he's back. Where the fuck did he go? He's right there. He likes to teleport.
Oh, there's fish.
Fish. I need to get my spear out.
Got 1 fish. 2 fish.
Ooh, fish.
Red fish.
I got 1 fish. 2 fish.
Yeah, 3 fish.
Ah, so we get a spearfish here.
I don't like it being like so compact, you know, we don't have like a great visual area, like, you know what I mean? Nah, I mean, Jelly Bean?
Yeah, there's a squirrel. Get back here. Where'd he
Oh
go?
shit,
What?
Bush Boys. It's the
me see.
monkeys.
Monkey.
Can I kill him? Nope, I missed.
He's. Oh, look, he's on the rock. He's just looking at us. Oh, there he comes. Alright. Beat him up. Oh shit, where did he come from?
There's like, yeah, there's a couple.
Die,
Get 'em,
monkey.
Get him.
Ow, he smacked me. Man, how did that one smack hurt me? Like, my health is like all the way down.
Because, I don't know, they're strong. Oh, hey, there's a toadstool here.
Um,
Oh, there you are. I was like, where's the third one? Alright. Off to a fantastic start.
You get attacked by monkeys.
Yeah, attack by monkeys. Also, ow.
Oops. Did I do that?
Also, they are just normal people. They're just covered in mud.
I sure they're not those hairy monkeys.
That's not hair. No, it's. I thought it was monkeys too, but no. Yeah, it's mud.
Well, if you know they're not monkeys, then why do they move like monkeys?
I don't know. I mean, we'll still call them monkeys.
'Cause they move around like monkeys. And they like to laugh, just like monkeys.
Hee 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 hee.
Yeah.
Hee hee. Damn it. Oh, hey, there's... Jesus Christ, calm down. Oh, there's a village there.
There's a whole bunch of family of them.
Yeah.
Oh, they're drinking. He was playing on the water.
Yeah.
Let's go pillage them.
Okay.
And take their shit. Take their women. And their children.
Burn their women and their lands, you know.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he hissed at me. Oh, these are big men.
Oh, what? He blocked. Oh, Jesus. I died. He hit me twice, and I died.
I accidentally smacked Kevin.
Might want to run around
I
and
killed one.
revive me? Or did you kill them both? Because it's two of
I got one. Oh, I think he just beat the shit out of Kevin.
them. No! You don't get to do that.
Oh, I think he just chopped his arm off.
Good. Serves you right.
Oh, I just picked it up and ate it.
Oh, okay there.
I didn't know I...
Crazy woman. Ow! Oh, there's another one. Where did he come from?
Good look. Oh, he just chopped his arms off again.
Get wrecked, nerd. Alright, I need drugs. Give me drugs.
I'll take a picture of these guys right here. Also, like when we kill ourselves, we just like put the entire thing of pills in our mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Like, eat them. In real life, that would cause an overdose.
That's fine. Did you pick up the skin pouch?
I think it was in this tent right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I believe so. Oh, it's a thingy for a tent.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, tent thing.
Get wrecked. Pillaging.
Destroy their homes.
Destroy their homes.
Destroy.
Their stools.
Doesn't look like you're doing anything. Yeah, either eating guts and stuff.
Alright, onward.
Yeah, lots of skeletons. Right here.
Yeah.
Alright, wait for me. Whoa, that was a crazy hiccup. Sorry, squirrel.
Wow. So yeah, I think maybe we can try this lake up ahead. I don't know if you have your GPS up or not.
No, I don't.
Okay, well there's a lake up ahead, kind of. Maybe it's... hopefully it's like not surrounded by fucking trees and shit.
And do you think they fixed the building mechanics?
What do you mean?
Like, so it's easier to build?
Doubt it. I'm pretty sure you still have to keep things structurally sound.
Yeah, because it makes the house ugly like that. Oh, what's this? It's a blue thing over here.
Huh? What?
Over this way.
Oh shit, what is that?
Oh, it's a golf cart. With propane. And this is an I don't know what this thing is. Yeah, this golf cart.
There's a seismic thing. Kappa. I don't know.
Lots of bushes though.
Okay, I'm gonna hit that
Nope.
once and now I'm not gonna hit it again.
Yeah, I don't think you want to hit that.
Alright, there's a black tub over here.
Let me see. Oh, I see it. There's lots of treats around here. Oh, and blueberries.
Blueberries,
Yum yum yum.
Why is Kelvin running? Where is he running? Is there a cannibal nearby? Bro, he's just booking it.
No, I see him. Where's he going? Oh, he's coming back.
Okay, weird. You good, Chief? He's running from you because you ate an arm.
Oh god, that's crazy. He's next.
He's next. You just had a meat snack.
Yeah, you know, I need my protein. Yeah, and it's an arm, and an arm is made of meat, so.
Meat snack.
Yep,
This is
that's all
a
it
nice
is.
place.
The stream is pretty nice.
Yeah, we want to set up around here. We could set up. I don't know if we can find fish in here. I'm assuming we can find fish.
I mean, we can make fishy traps.
Yeah.
The fog here is really cool.
Oh,
Oh yeah, there's fishies right here, yeah, and swimming around.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can spearfish here, or set traps.
Wow, there's plenty of fucking yarrow here.
And murder all the flowers and bushes.
So, do we think this is a good spot?
Yeah, it's pretty nice. We're near a food source, and it's really pretty.
It's very pretty.
Yeah, and there's water.
Wait, is it drinkable water?
I'm pretty sure it is. Let me see. Yep, I could drink it. Delicious.
Okay, yeah. Delightful water.
Yeah, it's not completely still either, which is, you know, good.
It's sanitary.
And for the most part, I mean, there's fishes in it, and fish poop. So.
Alright, well, then, let's get to building. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!